Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax of Houston. I'm on board one of my favorite boats. This is the 236 Grady-White Freedom Series. Why is it one of my favorites? Because you can do everything with it. This is the world's greatest fishing ski, if you will, for fresh or saltwater. We've got huge platforms on the back to dive on and off of. It's well lit back here. Huge rope lockers in the back. Put your ski lines or whatever. We've actually got a retractable ski tow bar that collapses all the way down. Aerated bait well, lighted. Fish box here on the side. Doubles as a great ice chest if you're just out pleasure boating. This boat actually comes with a Yeti cooler that fits nicely under this wet bar. And check this out. Give you a little bit of extra space. We've got a nice cutting board, freshwater sink, plenty of drink holders. This boat's great for fishing. We've got tow holes all around, lots of rod holders, tow hold here, but check this out. If you're just out dinner cruising, enjoying water sports, got a really nice big seat. This is a great innovation here too. We've got a lounger that you can adjust any direction you want. More storage underneath it. An adjustable helm seat with a bolster, swivel up and down. And here's a great feature here. Check out the nice head compartment on this boat. Great woodwork, even got a nice mirror. At MarineMax, we do custom rigging on any kind of electronics you want. The 300 horse Yamaha on the back comes with the large screen here for all your fuel burn data and engine information. But we can also add you GPS, radar, fish finder, whatever you want. Boat comes with a really nice Fusion stereo system. We've even got trim tabs for leveling. No matter how many people you have on board, you can always keep the boat level. A lot of storage. Got a huge cabinet here with some tackle trays in the drawer. We've actually got a full canvas enclosure for this boat, so this can be completely enclosed, so you can be out in any kind of weather conditions. We have that stored in here currently. We even have a nice door here that you can close off, along with the windshield, and keep this completely weatherproof. In the front, we've got a really nice lounge area, but one of my favorite features about this boat is you can store these cushions away, and then you have a nice non-skid fishing platform. And check out these combings. They work as a backrest, but when you're fishing, the boat's rocking a little bit, you've got a nice lean-to for your casting deck. You don't see this on a lot of 23-foot boats. Got an anchor windlass on the front. That's a great feature. Usually you don't see it till you get to larger boats. Windshield wiper, another great feature. Grady's are made for using in any kind of weather conditions, any kind of sea conditions, even in this size category. This is a great boat for doing just about everything. We even have some storage and lighting up in the hardtop. I don't really know of anything you can't do with this boat, and do it well. I'm Paul at MarineMax in Houston. Come see us and check out this and many other models that we have to show you.